Hey fight fans, welcome back to the channel. If you're a UFC junkie, you know the buzz around UFC 310 is hitting fever pitch. We've got some major updates today. Let's dive right in. The UFC 310 main event was left wide open after a last-minute injury, and now all eyes are on who will step up to fill that high-stakes slot. And guess what? Some of the biggest names in the game are throwing their hats into the ring. First up, we have former welterweight champion Kamaru Usman. The Nigerian nightmare is itching to reclaim his throne and prove he's still the top dog in the division. Usman's been on a mission to get back in the title picture, and this could be his golden ticket. But hold on, it's not going to be that easy. Rising star Joaquin Buckley is making waves, and he's got his eyes set on the same prize. You remember Buckley, right? The guy who delivered one of the most insane knockouts in UFC history? Yeah, that guy. He's hungry, and he's got the skills to back it up. And let's not forget about Garry. The Irishman is on a hot streak, and he's been vocal about wanting a shot at the main event. Garry's confidence and unbeaten record make him a serious contender. Fans are calling him the next Conor McGregor. Big shoes to fill, but he's ready to step up. And then there's Shavkat Rakhmonov. This guy is undefeated and has been absolutely tearing through the division. With his all-around game and killer instinct, Rakhmonov is a nightmare matchup for anyone. He's the dark horse that could surprise everyone. So who should get the main event spot? Usman's experience? Buckley's explosiveness? Garry's unbeaten streak? Or Rakhmonov's relentless dominance? The UFC has some tough choices to make. One thing's for sure, no matter who gets the nod, UFC 310 is shaping up to be an unforgettable night. The stakes are sky high and the competition is fierce. You won't want to miss it. So who do you think should headline UFC 310? Drop your picks in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this update, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more UFC news. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Stay tuned, fight fans.